In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, the TikTok Facebook login issue on iPhone is frequently caused by a token mismatch. If you're getting a feature unavailable or login failed message, what you're going to do is fix. So the most common cause is that the handshake between TikTok and Facebook has expired. You're going to need to force Facebook to reauthorize your app. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook application, and then on the top left, press those three lines. Then go over towards the bottom, you're going to see settings and privacy. And then in the first option within that is settings. So go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down until you find apps and websites. So we're just going to go ahead and keep scrolling down. Under your activity, you're going to see apps and websites as one of the options. So, mine is right there. It says get Facebook for iPhone and browse faster. You must log in first. So all you got to do is quickly log in. Now, once you're here and you've logged in, what you got to go ahead and do is find TikTok in the list. So let's just say this one was TikTok. And all I would have to do is click the remove icon right there. Once you go ahead and click remove, then just open TikTok and try log in with Facebook again. And you're going to be prompted to give fresh permission, which is exactly what you want to do.